Today's mainframe is evolving rapidly, driven by new processing capabilities, automation, and the emergence of AI. Today's ZOS professionals don't just need to memorize commands or navigate systems. They need to understand why they perform certain tasks and the impact those tasks have on their organization. With Interskill's ZOS 3.2 level curriculum, we are redefining the ZOS learning experience. We've added an audio brief to the objectives page of every module. This easy-to-digest podcast-style briefing provides you with a quick roadmap of the learning ahead, explaining why it's important for different job roles and putting everything into perspective. Technical knowledge needs enterprise-specific context to become operational efficiency. That's why we've added strategically positioned mentor moments throughout our courses to link the organization's practices, standards, and procedures to the training students are undertaking. These self-guided activities provide students with a blueprint to become experts in how their organization works. This reduces errors, increases confidence, and ensures that best practice is aligned with organizational standards and practices. To drive modern productivity, we've added AI prompts to our e-learning modules, teaching students to blend traditional mainframe knowledge with generative AI. Using scenarios relevant to their roles, students learn to leverage tools like Watsonx or IBM Bob safely to build diagnostic checklists or automate tedious tasks. The classic 3270 green screen remains a reliable staple for mainframers to interact with the mainframe. We've expanded on these with multi-interface training, showing how related tasks are performed using interfaces such as VS Code, ZOS Explorer, Zoe, and OSMF. True skill acquisition requires practical application. In the mainframe world, this is often a risky proposition. We've improved our simulations to provide a risk-free sandbox, mimicking a live environment so that you can perform advanced exercises to put what you've learned into practice. Interskill's redesigned e-learning experience redefines mainframe training, transitioning students from academics to practitioners. Reach out to the Interskill Learning team to find out more.